Now here's the deal. I'll tell you how to generate a key catalyst that will drive your business. But you must apply this catalyst in your business. Only then you'll experience the growth and the success of your business. But before I do that, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Innovation is the catalyst that drives long-term business growth and business success. You'd be surprised to know that there are many businesses that fail due to the lack of innovation. A massive 90%, yes, 90% of all startup businesses fail within the first 3 years of business, often due to a lack of innovation. And it's not just startup. Established businesses can also fail. For example, KODAK was once a leader in the film photography industry, but because it wasn't prepared to make a shift to digital photography, it went into decline and eventually it perished. Similarly, Nokia failed in the phone industry because it wasn't prepared to make the transition to smartphone, and consequently, it collapsed. Now, the lesson here is simple. If you're not prepared to innovate and do something new, then eventually you'll fail and you'll fall flat on your face. In any business, it's vitally important that you adopt a culture of innovation. That's if you want your business to grow and to succeed. I'm going to tell you about 3 things that you can do to create a culture of innovation in your business. Number 1, encourage collaborations and innovation. Innovation often comes from collaborations and by sharing ideas. Encourage collaborations and create spaces for brainstorming, and you will find that new ideas will emerge. You should give your team members the space to experiment, to do something new in search for innovation. And if they fail, then that's okay. They should not be penalized. Instead, they should be encouraged. Professor Andre Geim and his team at the University of Manchester used to conduct weekly Friday evening trial experiments just to see if anything new, innovative came out from the trial experiments. It turned out that they were the first group in the world to produce graphene using a simple Scotch tape method. And this won them the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2010 for their groundbreaking experiments in the discovery of graphene, a revolutionary material. Number 2 is to embrace diversity. A diverse workforce with different backgrounds and perspectives is more likely to come up with new ideas and new innovations. So always try to be as diverse as possible. Try to include people from different backgrounds and different origins. This you'll find will improve your chances of doing more innovation. And finally, number 3, celebrate successes. Always recognize and reward people for their hard work and creativity that goes into innovation. By doing these 3 things, you'll inject a culture of innovation in your business, and that will take care of business growth and business success. If you've enjoyed watching this video and you feel that it's added value to you, then please do leave a comment in the comment box. And if you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel.